Next, we are going to be solving example number 4. Example number 4 says that find a quadratic polynomial. We are going to be finding out a quadratic polynomial. Here the sum and the product of the zeros are given. The sum of zeros is given -3 and the product of zeros is given with 2. So we are going to be finding out the quadratic polynomial. For finding this out, we have a formula, but it is not studied in your book, but know it. If x square minus alpha plus beta whole x plus alpha beta. If I put here alpha plus beta means sum of roots and the product of roots is 2 here, so I can easily solve here. But this formula is not studied in your book. If I put here x square minus of, here the sum of roots is given with -3, so I can write -3 whole x here, plus here the product of roots is given 2 here, so I can write 2 here. So solving this, we get x square minus plus thrice x plus 2. But we are going to be solving in your book way. So let the polynomial be, let the polynomial be p of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, here we are given with the sum of zeros. Here we are given with the sum of zeros. Sum of zeros is equal to -3. We know that the sum of zeros means minus b by a. Sum of zeros means minus b by a is equal to -3. Let's first assume this a as 1. Assuming a is equal to 1, so we get minus b by 1 is equal to -3. Minus b by 1 gives minus b. Cancelling minus on both sides, we get b is equal to 3. So we get the value of b as 3, and for the product of zeros is equal to, here the product of zeros is given with 2, so we write 2 here. What is our formula for the product of zeros? We know that product of zeros is equal to c by a is equal to 2. Again, let's assume a as 1 here. Assuming a is equal to 1, so we get c by 1 is equal to 2. Dividing c by 1, we get c is equal to 2. Therefore, the value of a is 1, b is equal to 3, and c is equal to 2. Therefore, required quadratic polynomial is equal to, we know that the quadratic polynomial is of the form ax square plus bx plus c. Here the value of a is 1, so 1x square, we write x square plus. The value of b is 3, so we write 3x plus. The value of c is 2, so we get x square plus thrice x plus 2. This is your answer.